seneng banget siapa yang pemain mana yang nggak bermimpi untuk main di tim nasional, ngebela negaranya sendiri. Menurut gue sih nggak ada, pasti semuanya pengen banget. Jadi ketika denger info itu kayak, wah ini nih kesempatan untuk bisa masuk tim nasional. Masih seleksi ya, tapi kesempatan ini bisa harus dihargailah sebaik mungkin.
The passion is really there, and I like that we have a lot of new names, a lot of new faces. Some of these guys are really hungry to get their first chance to be on the national teams. For this window, it might not be all the popular names that you know in the past, and all those guys are really good, and we'll probably see those guys in another competition, but I think it also is time for Indonesia to see some other faces, give a chance to show the quality of the league, the depth of the league, that we have good local players all throughout the league.
Ya saya yakin gitu, kayak siapapun yang dipanggil pasti kan udah levelnya berarti udah bagus gitu, karena kan ya dipanggil timnas kan itu sebuah privilege, sebuah grateful lah. Dan ya tinggal gimana, ya itu yang tadi gimana mereka bisa nunjukin kalau mereka tuh ya deserve untuk di sini gitu.
Trying to create our identity, that's the main focus, create our style, making sure that everybody knows how we want to play, setting the standard for Indonesia basketball, and the way that we want to set ourselves up. So I think identity matters. These guys are really getting behind it. They're dedicated, they're focused, they're watching video, they're spending extra time. And once we continue to build that identity, I think it'll be really nice to see, and then we can really go all in on our identity when we go play these games.
Ada beberapa yang baru, tapi mereka juga kan udah pernah gabung sama sistemnya Coach Dev. Jadi ya surprisingly mereka cepat sih catch up sama sistem Coach Dev, dan itu hal yang bagus. Tinggal gimana kita kebagusin chemistry lagi aja sama mereka, dan gimana mereka bisa tetap execute apa yang Coach Dev mau gitu.
So far, I think Firdan a lot. I think he's played with me for a long time, so he knows my way, my style, and he really gets the information that I give out quickly. And also Ali Bagir has shown a lot of good signs. I really like what he's doing, how he's come back from Japan. And right now, a bright spot is Argus. He's really showing physicality, toughness, doing some great things around the basket, and just kind of no nonsense, tough guy. And those are the type of guys that I like.
Istri lah, udah pasti istri. Istri juga kaget sih, karena kan selama ini tuh saya sering cerita, yang kapan ya bisa main timnas, setiap nonton gitu, kapan ya bisa main buat bela negara sendiri, yang bener-bener bisa ngebela gitu, memberi kontribusi gitu. Itu hanya dulu tuh cuman mimpi-mimpi yang katanya gitu. Tapi hari ini ada kesempatan, saya kasih lah sebaik mungkin gitu.
Targetnya ya pasti yang bisa ambil semua game ya, karena kan ya sekalian kita uji kemampuan juga gitu lawan Malaysia, lawan Singapura, lawan Hong Kong. Ya biar kita bisa tunjukin juga kalau ya kita tuh bisa nunjukin lah ke negara-negara lain kalau kita Indonesia tuh punya level basket yang tinggi juga gitu.
Saya sih nggak ngebuktiin apa-apa ya, cuman ngasih yang terbaik, ngasih bagian saya aja, apa yang dibutuhin tim, apa yang dibutuhin coach dan staff, saya kasih gitu. Jadi kalau mau ngebuktiin apa-apa enggak sih, saya pengen ngebuktiin bahwa timnas Indonesia itu juga layak berkompetisi di internasional.
Like I said, we want to give everybody opportunity. We want to continue to expand Indonesia globally. There are Indonesians around the world that are talented, and I think also need to get a shot to see what they can do, and also let the people know in this country and get back to their roots and their heritage. And so I think once we continue to start building that, you'll see the talent continue to rise.